Hello all, myself Ajay, and we are going to see today how to access Enlist Consortia. So if you want to access Enlist Consortia, first of all we must know what Enlist Consortia is. So Enlist Consortia is basically an initiative of Ministry of HRD, MHRD, under the NMICT scheme, and it's funded by UGC, and it is given as a college component under eShoda Sindhu Consortia. Uh, Under this consortia, if you are the member or your college library is a member of that consortia, you can get e-resources to access, which contains 6,000 plus e-journals and 31 lakhs 35,000 plus e-books. The registration fee, if your college is coming under 12B of UGC Act, then you have to pay 5,900 per year membership fee for this Enlist Consortia, and if you are a non-aided college, then you have to pay 35,400 rupees for the same service. In this consortia, a good number of journals are being covered, and there are various e-resources which can be accessed anywhere. If you have the member login and password, you can access it from anywhere. So how to get membership of it is the next issue. So if you want to get the membership, you just visit your library and ask them, give them the information in this format: your name, then your email ID, your designation, or your class or department. What is your role? What is your role? Means if you are a teacher, write teacher. If you are a student, write student. Then your department where you are teaching or learning, and your contact number. These 5 fields you have to provide. After getting these 5 fields, your library will register you for Enlist services, and then you will get a mail in your email ID where you will get the login details here. So I will not open my login details as it contains my password. In this email ID you will find this email ID, this email, and list member login detail created by bulk request. So this is your college code. So you'll get a login detail here. Okay, when you want to access the e-resources now, you have to register here, registered member login. This login is for administrator who is going to add you in the Enlist Consortia. So you don't have to use this one. You have to use this registered member login to get access to e-resources. Now if you want to log in, you have to click here. Now this page will open where you have to put your username and your password. My username is passion2@gmail.com, and my password is okay. Then I'll click on login to login. I'll not save the password. All the resources under Enlist program are listed here. It contains Cambridge Core 224 titles, Oxford University 2206 titles, Economic and Political Weekly 1 title, but access is right from 1966. Indian journals are there where 250 titles, 250 plus titles are there. JSTOR where we get 2500 plus titles. EBSCO host is there. HW Wilson and Net Library. Under HW Wilson we get 2800 plus, and under Net Library we get 136 titles. In eBrary we get 1,34,000 titles. Then under My Library McGraw-Hill Books we get 1,124 titles, Cambridge Book Online 1,800, and so on. The list is here. When you log in, you'll get this list. These are the special list where you have the access. There is shibboleth based. So if you want to log in these sites for these resources, you have to re-enter your same username ID and password for these resources. Okay, nothing different. You have just you have to remember your username and password. You have to re-enter it here if you want to access these resources. So let's check anything. We can check Oxford University Press. We'll see. Yeah, Oxford Academic Journals. So journals of Oxford publication are available here. Let's check journal on zoology, if we can get something on zoology. Yeah, we get journal Current Zoology here. Let's click on that title. So let's check whether we get, yeah, Current Zoology is open here. It has an impact factor of 2.07, 5 years impact factor 2.5457. Okay, and these are the latest articles available in it. And you can search also if you want. You can search on specific topic of zoology. So I don't know much, so let's check if we can open one article here. I have clicked on that article and we are waiting for it. Yeah, this is the article, this is the abstract, and this is the full text article. You can access the full text article from there. Okay, we can see that we can access full text article here from Current Zoology. In this way you can access all the available resources in Enlist, available in journals, e-journals as well as e-books. Now let's check some ebook site. Now just we have checked e-journal. Let's check the ebooks library. Okay, it is open now. So let's check something regarding the subject mathematics. Yeah, regarding mathematics, we have got everyday mathematics book, mathematics, then high school mathematics, third course. Yeah, list of books which has mathematics word in its title are being displayed here. If you want to check, if you want to read it, you just have to click here. Okay, on this PDF, and it will get open for you. Yeah, look, it has been open. The title is Vedic Mathematics, author World Heritage Encyclopedia, language is English, publisher, and whatever information available is given there. These are the details. This is the full text book which we can read here in digital form. Again we will go to home and we will go back to where we have started. Okay, we are back to our list. Now you can check where we have to put our password. We will check the Institute of Physics where 46 titles are available. Now this is Shibboleth based access, so you have to put your username and password once more to access these journals or these ebooks. You have to put now. After putting the username and password, I'll click on login. It is asking me to save the password. I will not save it. Yeah, it has given me the access. I accept it, and IOP Science is now open in front of us. Okay, now if we want to check nanotechnology, let's see. I think they are the journals there, right? This is the nanotechnology journal. Okay, and its impact factor is 3.399, and these are the latest abstract. The latest articles also, full text articles are also there. Let's check one of them. Okay, if we will click on PDF, then we will get a PDF. This is the title of the article, these are the authors, and this is the full text article. In this way you can access full text to number of journals, some 6,000 plus number of journals, if you are having access to Enlist. So let's go back. No, it will not take me back, so let's close it and again open. If you want to directly open it, if you don't know the link, just type Enlist, okay, and put enter. You'll get the list. Google search, the first search Enlist you'll get here, and if you want to log in directly, you can click on this login also. We will go to this page, we'll click on this. Okay, now we are back here. We have to log in again. So, it was login there, so we don't have to put username and password. So in this way you can access the consortia. Have a nice day ahead. If you have any issue, please let me know. Thank you.